First of all, I'll open the first one. As you can see over here, public static void main string arguments. Method name dr Kunal Gagreja int I for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. I'm declaring a variable from 0 to 10 and then I'm incrementing it. Switch I, so I'm declaring a switch variable, sorry, switch statement. And after that the case 0, after that the system.out.println is I is 0. Then comes the break statement. So here it will break the case. Case 1, system.out.println I is 1. Break case 2 system.out.println I is 2. Break case 3 system.out.println I is 3. Break case 4 system.out.println I is 4 default. System.out.println I is 5 or more. So here we are. So what it is doing is that it is executing all the loops one by one. First it will go to 0, then it will go to 1, then it will go to 2, then it will go to 3, then it will go to 4, then it will print 5 or more, 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 5 or more. Here you can see the output over here. I is 5 or more. Then comes the second thing. Int num is equal to 100 for int I is equal to 0. I is less than num I plus plus if I is into I is greater than num break. So the example of this can be multiplication of 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 3, 9, system.out.println I plus loop complete. So I'll show you the output of this. I'll go to run file. The run file shows 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 loop complete. So this is the third statement involving the break. Throws public class name, public static void main string arguments. This I've already explained you. Throws java.io.io.exception. So this is an exception in Java. The exception is an unnatural condition in Java. It can also be in C++. Char ch, I'm declaring a variable of the character data type ch for ch is equal to char system dot in dot read. It is taking in the input value of it. If ch is equal to q, break system dot out dot print and you pressed q. So here what I'm doing is I'm taking the value of ch is equal to q. If the value is equal to true, then it will break, otherwise it will continue. So I'll run it and I'll show you the output demo of it once. I'll click on run and the output is I'll click on the star. The output is I is 0, I is 1, I is 2, I is 3, I is 4, I is 5 or more. Let me give you the output of this one. Okay, that was a wrong output. Public static void main string arguments for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus system dot out on printer and outer loop count plus system dot out on printer and inner loop count int t is equal to 0 while t is less than equal to 100. If t is equal to 0, break system dot out on printer and t plus plus. So it is increasing the value of t. If t is from 0 to 100, then it will break system dot out dot println. So this is printing out the value of it. System dot out dot println loops complete. So I'll click on run file. Outer loop count 0, inner loop count 0, outer loop count 1, inner loop count outer loop count 2, inner loop count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 loops complete. Break for Java. Public static void main string arguments int I for int I is equal to 1, I is less than 4, I plus plus. So I is from 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3, system dot out dot println, break 1, break 2, break 3. System dot out dot println 1 bring after block 3, after block 2, after block 1, after 4. So it is printing out the values of system dot out dot println every time. Public static void main string arguments done for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, the value of I is from 0 to 5, int j is equal to 0, j is less than 10, j plus plus, int k is equal to 0, k is less than 10, k plus plus, system dot out dot println k plus, if k is equal to 5, break done, system dot out dot println after k loop, system dot out dot println after j loop, system dot out dot println after I loop. So the value of this thing goes from 10 to 0 to 10. So this will break done. Break done, as you can see, this is a loop called done. I am breaking it down. I'll run this program once. I'll click on run file, and this is the output k plus k plus k plus k plus k plus k plus, again and again it's coming out. It will come out 9 times because it is from 0 to 9. So this is the example of switch case statement with break int I for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, switch I case 0, system dot out dot println I is less than 1, case 1, system dot out dot println I is less than 2, case 2, system dot out dot println I is less than 3, case 3, system dot out dot println I is less than 4, system dot out dot println I is less than 5, system dot out dot println. Break 7 dot java. Public static void main string asks, this you already know, for int x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, stop for x is equal to 0. So stop is a loop, stop bar is a loop over here. For x is equal to 0, x is less than 5, x plus plus. For y is equal to 0, y is less than 5, y plus plus. If y is equal to 2, break stop 1. System dot out dot println x and y are plus x plus y plus. System dot out dot println x is equal to 0, x is less than 5, x plus plus. Stop 2 for y is equal to 0, y is less than 5, y plus plus, if y is equal to 2, break stop 2. So the value of y is going from 0 to 5 and it is printing out the values. I'll go to the output of this, I'll click on run file. The output is x and y are 0, 0, x and y are 0, 1, x and y is 0, 0, x and y is 0, 1, x and y is 1, 0, x and y is 1, 1, x and y is 2, 0, x and y is 2, 1. X and y is 2 0, x and y is 3 1, x and y is 4 0, x and y is 4 1. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.